The Dolphin Nautilus CC, a lean, mean pool cleaning machine built to give you more time to enjoy your pool and less time maintaining it. This cleaner is truly plug and play. Just drop it in, press start, and let it handle your pool, while you handle literally anything else. It's perfect for pools up to 33 feet, including in-ground and above-ground models, and delivers a deep clean in just 2 hours. The Nautilus CC cleans both floor and walls with powerful active scrubbing brushes, and it does it all while being gentle on your pool surface. With clever clean navigation, it scans your pool layout and cleans efficiently. No random patterns, no wasted time. Cleanup is just as easy. The top-load filter basket lifts out in seconds. No more reaching into the mess. Just rinse and reload. It's also lightweight and super easy to lift, even with one hand. You can pick up the Dolphin Nautilus CC today at Easy Pool and Spa Supply. If it's on our shelf, it's something we actually use, actually recommend, and actually believe makes pool care easier.